How to set up shipping on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Shopify shipping and how we can set up shipping for a product on Shopify and get started with our business. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply log into your Shopify store and you'll have to open up your admin. So you can see right here, I have my admin right here and I'll show you how we can set up shipping. And this is going to be a beginner's tutorial and it will help you set up your shipping. So first of all, we have to go to settings right here of our store. And once you open up settings, then you can see right here, we have all of the different settings here. And we have shipping and delivery. So I'm going to click on shipping and delivery right here. So this is where I can set up my shipping and I have everything right here. We have our, shipping and local delivery, local pickup, packages, packing slips, carrier accounts, custom orders and everything. So this is our shipping right here. And you can see, first of all, we have to set up our shipping rates. So I'm going to click on manage and it will allow me to add my rates and add different rates for shipping. So first of all, shipping from. So this is where you will be able to see your country. And what you can do is you can customize your country and your shipping zone. So let's say that I ship to Asia, right? So I'm going to select Asia and it will select all of the countries. Or maybe I ship to rest of the world, and I can just select this option. So these two options are available. I'm going to select this one maybe and click on done. So now I have kind of selected my shipping zone. We can go with Europe as well, or we can go with Africa if my business is based in Africa. And then we have Central America, then we have like North America, USA, everything, South America. So I can just select where my shipping is based, and I'm going to click on done now. So once we click on done, it will add all of these different options and we can give our shipping zone a name, any name we want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it shipping zone. Let's just go with a simple name. So I'm going to go with shipping zone and click on done. All right, so we have set up our shipping zone. Next, we have to enter our rate. So what rate you want to go for when it comes to shipment, and it's an important part of shipment, right? And we need to set up our rate. So click on add rate and I will be able to set up my own rates, or I can actually use a carrier or open an app to calculate the rate as well. So this is suggested for you guys, kind of use a carrier and calculate your rates as well so that you know how much it actually will charge. You don't want to charge extra and you don't want to add something where you don't make any profit. For now, I'm just going to go with set up my own rates. And what I can do is I can just call it a standard rate, and the price is going to be, if I go with 0, now keep in mind, if I add the price here 0, it's going to be free shipment. But if I add any price here except the 0, then it's going to be, of course, that price. It's not going to be free shipment. So if you claim free shipment, then you can just leave this option. But I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm going to add this price right here. It also depends on your currency, that what currency you have. So I have added my charges right here and I can add as many rates as I want. We can have different rates for different countries, for different zones. So keep that in mind as well. So this is going to be my shipping rate and this is my shipping location and my shipping zone. These are all the products that are on my store right now. So this is like a test store. That is why I have one product. I can also go ahead and manage my location, my shop location. And what you can do is you can remove the rates or you can add rates according to yourself. So for now, I think this option is done. We're going to go back and we will move on to the processing time. Now, this is inactive right now, but it is activated when there is an order on your shop. And I will be able to see my delivery dates and I will be able to send my customers my delivery date. It also depends on the carrier. Sometimes the carriers actually like to update and keep track of the delivery and they send updates to the customers. So it depends on your carrier as well. Or you can go ahead and add it yourself as well. For example, 3 business days, 2 business days. It depends on you. Moving on, we have local delivery and local pickup. Now, if you are running a business and it's a local business, it does not involve shipping from one country to another. It's just going to be local. Then you can go and, simply set up these two options. And here, the shipping rate is going to be free or minimum because it doesn't charge that much. Then we have packages. So this is where we will be adding our package, and this is where we do our packaging settings for our delivery. Now we can go with any of different package types. So there is box, envelope, and soft package or satchel. So it depends on you what kind of product you sell. So my products are actually t-shirts, and there are like hoodies and everything. So I can go with a box or I can go with an envelope. So what happens is I'm gonna go with a box or maybe soft package as well. So here you can give your package a name. I'm gonna go ahead and call it my packaging for now. Then we have to select the length. Then we have to select the length, width, and height of our package. And then of course we have the weight again in a kilogram of it, or you can change it to any other unit as well, such as gram. We have OZ and LB as well. So similarly, we can go with centimeters or inches. Now you will enter the length for your package, your box, width, and height. So calculate that, or you can also use a application to calculate that for you. Once you've added the details, you will click on add package, and the packaging setting will be done. Moving on, we have the packaging slips. So this is going to be a template, but I'm going to click on edit and show you how we customize our packaging slips. So you can see right here, this is a little coding for you guys, but it's really easy as well. And you can actually leave this option this way, or you can enter your order title right here. Whatever your order title will be, it will be added like this. Then we have shipping address, we have custom address. So you can just, if you want to make some changes, you can go ahead and do that, or you can simply, add anything you want. So when it comes to editing my template, this is my slip template and I can add it from here. Or if when it comes to a common edit, we can get more details right here. So you can see this is the template for the slips, and I'm gonna not mess with this one. Or we can preview a template. So I'm gonna click on preview now, and it will show me my template. So you can see this is the slip that it looks like. You can see they have added a order number, and then we have bill 2, delivery 2, and then we have items, like they have selected 2 t-shirts, and this is what it says. So it looks perfect. You can see, guys, that this is going to be my packaging slip. So this is all coding. You don't have to do anything here because everything will be automatic, and once an order is placed, the packaging slip will be created automatically like this. If you want to make some changes in it, you can go ahead and do that as well, but this is the packaging slip on Shopify. So it looks good. I'm gonna go back. Okay, so we can just go back now. So moving on, we have carrier accounts. Now this is where I will be setting up my carriers. So for that, what I need to do is I need to, first of all, you will actually need a premium account for this one, and you can add your own custom carrier accounts right here. And then we have custom order fulfillment. So you can add custom fulfillment services, and you can enter a name right here, email address, and you will be able to create a custom order on your Shopify. Add an email for a custom fulfillment services that fulfill orders for you. So we can use a service as well to automate our work on Shopify. And once you're done with all of the different settings, you will be able to simply set up shipping and delivery on Shopify. It's really easy to set up all of these different options, and I showed you everything: how to add shipping, how to add shipping rates, how to add packaging slips, carrier accounts, everything. And now you know how to set up shipping in Shopify. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.